Hi, beautiful friends. We are at the park. Can you say park? Park. I spy with my little eye something big green. That's correct. It's a big slide. Whee! Good job. I spy with my little eye something green. It's a slide. Can you say up, up, and let's go up, up. Good job. You say I did it. Good job. We did it. Can you say it? We did it. Up, up, up. Good job. Let's go up, up, and down the slides. Let's go down the slide. Down, 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 da, 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 down, down, da, 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 down the slide. Let's go. Can you say down? Down! Yay! Down! Can you say up, 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 up? More up, more slide, more. Let's go! What is your name? I am 2 years old. Nice to meet you, friend. Do it again. Choo. Choo. Again. This time, we're going to sing the wheels of the bus together. Come on. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. This time, let's try the wipers. The wipers of the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. What is the next? Let's try the door of the bus. The door of the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. Good job, friends! I see airplane. airplane. I see birds. I see cars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Zoom. I see a baby climbing up. A baby. She's climbing up. 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 I see park. I see park. I see friends. I see horses. I see farm. Ring around the roses, a pocket full of roses. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Good job. Did you hear something? What's that? What's that, friend? Good job. It's a puppy. Puppy. The puppy is barking. What does the puppy say? Woof, woof. I heard birds. Can you fly like a bird? Birds. I spy with my little eyes letters. A says ah, ah, ah. B says ba, ba, ba. C says k, k. Good job. A, B, C. A says ah. B says ba. C says k. Good job. Red, yellow, blue. More bubbles. All done, bubbles, all done. And at the park, we can play tag. Come on, let's play tag. How many kites do you see? That's correct. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job. Let's do some summer vocabulary. Park. Park. Sun. Sun. Bird. Birds. Flowers. Flowers. Bees. Bees. Bug. Bug. Grass. Grass. Sky. Sky. Clouds. Clouds. Rainbow. 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 Swing. Swing. What's that, beautiful friend? It's a helicopter. Helicopter. What helicopter, friend? Red and blue. You say helicopter? Good job. Helicopter. Good job. Let's try to make a sentence. I want car. I want car. Can you say go car? Whee! Can you say go? Ooh, vroom. Broom car, zoom zoom. And you have a what are? Yes, it looks like a Triceratops car. Good job, baby. Good job. What are the colors of the car? Can you tell me? That's correct. It's a red and yellow. Awesome! Awesome, friend! Good job! Oh, what is this beautiful friend? Can you tell us? That's correct. It's an owl. Correct. What does the owl say again, please? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl starts from the letter O. Oh, owl. Can you tell me what are the color of the owl, friends? That's correct. It's purple and yellow, and then there's a brown. Good job, friends. It's a jolly bee. It's look like a bee. Can you buzz like a bee? Bzzz. Bzzz. Let's pretend there's a lot of bees. Oh, I got one. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! Stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew! It's yucky! I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. Look, mommy! All clean! Good job, friend! I want apple, please. I want red apple, please, Dada. I love Dada. I love Mama. I want water, please, Dada. I want food, please, Mama. out, take it out, take it out. And we have a triangle. Okay, take it out, take it out, take it out. And we got a blue cross. Take it out, take it out, take it out. And we have a green square. Out. A red circle. Can you show friends the shapes? Like, where is the circle goes? Is that a circle? No. Can you shake our head? No. No, no, no. 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 Yes. Can you nod your head? Yes. 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 Green square. Yes. A blue. Blue square. And last is orange triangle. Can you show our friends triangle? Triangle. Good job. Good job, friend. Again. Oh, can you find the shapes here? Like here? Okay.
You find a circle.
Okay, find a circle. Can you show to friend? What color is that, baby? A circle. Red circle. Circle starts from the letter C. Can we make our C sounds, friend? Good job. What's that, Paul? It's a blue cross. Put in b. Can you do that? Good job. What's that?
Put it in.
Green. Put it in. Good job. Put it in. What else? Add orange. Oh, orange triangle. Awesome. Good job, baby. Okay. Oh, what is this, beautiful friend? Can you tell us, friend? What is this, friend? That's correct. Is a sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba. That's correct.